Hello everyone, welcome back to Master Art with Pankaj Pokale. In today's video, we will paint a beautiful watercolor bird using simple techniques. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, you can easily follow along. So grab your watercolor supplies and let's get started. Materials. For this painting, I am using watercolor paper or handmade paper, watercolor paints, round brushes, pencil, and eraser, clean water, tissue paper. Let's begin. Step number one, sketching. First, lightly sketch the outline of the bird. Keep the lines soft and simple because they should disappear under the water. You have to draw the very light outline. Then step number two, first wash. Now apply a light wash to the bird using clean water and soft color for the first layer, allowing them to blend naturally. Remember, watercolor looks best when we let the water do the work. Step number three, building colors. Once the first layer is dry, begin adding deeper colors to create shadows and texture. Work gradually, layering the colors instead of applying them all at once. Now it's time Now it's time to paint the eyes, beak, feathers, and fine details. Use smaller brushes and steady strokes to bring the bird to life.